Hey folks, Cameron from the Shopify Mentor Hub here. Today I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how you can go about uploading your very own digital products to Shopify and so that they will automatically send to customers once they've purchased a digital file. Super easy, really straightforward, a nice free app here built by Shopify. Yeah, so let's just jump straight into it and go for it. So I will link this digital downloads in the description down below that you can find. It's just a free app. So let's just go through the steps. We're just going to go ahead and install this onto a test store. Just give me 1 second here. So once you have it installed, I recommend pinning it to your navigation so then you can easily find it. This is just a few physical products that are just draft or just for testing purposes. But let's go ahead and add a new product. So pretend like you're uploading a file of some kind that you want to deliver to folks, a PDF or kind of any sort of thing digitally that you want to sell and share with your customers. So we're just going to call this test digital product. And then I'm going to just say it's going to be an image to show what it is. Probably would recommend uploading like a PDF cover of some kind. It'd be really good for your customers to see. It's going to be $5. This is not a physical product, so you just have to uncheck that and then continue selling when out of stock because there's going to be no stock. So you could even just uncheck track quantity, so then it's not tracked anywhere. And then you would go ahead and probably set that as draft, so then it doesn't go live immediately as soon as you hit save. So now we've saved it and it's publishing. It's in draft status, so it's not going to publish right away. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go more actions. We're going to add digital file. So now we're adding a digital file to that exact product. So then we just drag the file or upload the files into here. Smash save. Now these files here, you can upload as many as you like, up to 5 gigabytes. So you got 5 gigabytes of download for each product that you sell. So this isn't really for like giving people a whole video course, but you could very much easily give them a text document to a URL that goes to a privatized YouTube playlist or something like that. Or this is great for PDFs, images, any sort of downloads that are below 5 gigabytes. Yep, so you can add as many files as you want in here as long as they all of them come to below 5 gigabytes. So fulfillment wise, you would go here. So this is where you can choose to send the products automatically as soon as someone purchases. So you either click that or click manual. It's up to you. Manual wise, you would just go in, fulfill the order, and then the products would send instead. So it's really just like 2 extra clicks for you. So I would vote automatically is the way to go. You can set a download limit. So they can either download it once, twice, 20 times, you choose. But we'll just leave that there. And then you can also create a direct download link. So if you want to share this with friends, family, and you don't want them to pay for it, you can just create a download link and then it's right there. You copy that link and you can send it to them. It's really that simple. Under orders within the app, you'll see this will be showing all your orders that have come through with digital downloads. And then under settings, you can edit the template that will get sent to the customers. So under the notifications, or this will allow customers to download the products right from the order status page. So it looks exactly like this, like, thank you XYZ for purchasing. The order is confirmed, and they'll have a download button right there on their checkout page. But for the email notifications, you could pop in here, and this allows you to change the wording here for any sort of what you want to say for your branding for your download purchases. Yeah, you can add in here customer first name, customer first name and customer last name. download links, you'd probably want to use that whole string of code right there because that's a for loop. So it's going to go through each link that you've got. So each file that you've uploaded will be a different link, or each digital product that they've downloaded will be a separate link. Yeah, and you can see the code that's already in here. This is all great. But yeah, if you want to add something specific, then that's up to you. And then this will also send out when it's an update ready to go out. So when you update the product, it will also send out a batch update to your customers that have already purchased it. So yeah, that's how to add digital products for sale on Shopify. This is a great free app that I have never had any issues with. It's always sent products out automatically, done everything really well. But yeah, any questions, pop them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.